Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and today I want to share an easy recipe that is going to save your morning if you are sick and tired of bacon and eggs for breakfast. I'm going to show you how to make 90-second keto-friendly bread. You can use this bread as a hamburger bun. There's actually a lot of different uses for this particular bread. You can use it as a little slider bun. You can use it as a biscuit. You can slice it up and make little pieces of round toast. So I'm going to show you how to make it.
First, now
Dump that in there. Good. All right, dump that in there. Now let me do that.
okay. And can I put in?
Let me do that.
Ooh. Okay, let's do it.
Oh, let me get you a whisk. All right.
Oh, so they make bread instead of a cup? So that's what you do? Can I see the bready? Mom, can I see the bread? Mom, that's so awesome.
Okay, so I made a few different versions. Now that I've made this bread, I feel like you could do so many different things with it. You can make little mini pizzas, you can make sliders, but I want to show you what I did. So I put cream cheese on this with a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's and made like a little mini bagel. Oh my gosh. That is delicious. I could have taken like a little something tiny, cut a little circle out so this looks like a little bagel, but I didn't want to waste any of it. That's so good. The other thing I did was I made this little sandwich. So it's just got some turkey, some cheese, and some mayonnaise. It's good. It tastes like real bread. It tastes like normal bread. And then I also put some peanut butter on it for my son because he wanted some with peanut butter. So good. You guys definitely have to try it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.